morning, everyone. This is Math Week 4, Day 5, Thursday, 30th of April. Measurement. This is your to-do list for the session. Your learning objective is to convert between different units of measure. These are the resources needed for this session. Now, start the lesson by watching attentively the following videos. Alright. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters, while 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. Which is the larger unit, meters or centimeters? What do you think? Meters. To convert the larger unit, meters, to the smaller unit, centimeters, we need to multiply the larger unit by 100. How many centimeters are the same as 6 or 8 meters? What would we need to do? We would need to multiply the 6 by 100 or 8 by 100. So 6 meters is the same as 600 centimeters, while 8 meters is the same as 800 centimeters. It goes both ways. So if I'm converting from centimeters to meters, I will need to divide by 100. If I'm converting from meters to centimeters, then I need to multiply by 100. Now, let's take a look at this. Which is the larger unit, centimeters or millimeters? Centimeters, because 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. So to convert from the larger unit, centimeters, to the smaller unit, which is millimeters, we need to multiply the larger unit by 10. So how many millimeters are the same as 6 or 8 centimeters? 60 millimeters or 80 millimeters. Again, if we're converting from centimeters to millimeters, then we need to multiply by 10. If we're converting from 80 millimeters to 8 centimeters, then we are dividing by 10. Okay. If 10 millimeters are the same as 1 centimeter, and 100 centimeters are the same as 1 meter, how many millimeters are the same as 1 meter? What do you think? Converting from 1 meter to millimeters. 1,000. How did you find the answer? Well, 10 multiplied by 100 is 1,000. And we know that 1 meter to millimeters is 1,000 because we multiplied it by 100 and by 10 as well. How many centimeters are equal to 1/10 of 1 meter? Remember the tenth? 1 over 10. So 1/10 meter is the same as 10 centimeters. How do we write 1/10 as a decimal? Remember this? This is 1/10. how to write 50 centimeters as a fraction and as a decimal of 1 meter. 50 centimeters is half a meter, which is the same as 0.5 meters. Observe this. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. Then half a meter is the same as 0.5 meter is the same as 50 centimeters. 1/10 meter is the same as 0.1 meters is the same as 10 centimeters. Observe this as well. We know that 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. Then half a centimeter can be written as 0.5 centimeters or 5 millimeters. If you multiply 0.5 by 10, you will get 5. Thus 5 millimeters. Again, 1/10 centimeters, the same as 0.1 centimeters, is the same as 1 millimeter. Observe these triangles carefully. We know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters would be the same as 1000 millimeters. Why? Because we multiplied 100 by 10. And 1000 millimeters is the same as 1 meter. And actually vice versa, of course. 1 meter is the same as 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters is the same as 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. Same goes for half a meter. We know that 0.5 meters is the same as 50 centimeters, is the same as 500 millimeters, and so on. You see the relation. Okay, now you have the chance to apply everything that you have just learned. These are interactive practices to what you've just learned. Let's try one. So there are 10 millimeters and 1 centimeter. Convert these centimeter measurements to millimeters. 5 centimeters would be the same as 50 millimeters. Why? Because I multiplied 5 by 10. Fantastic. And so on. You would have to work the rest on your own. You would also have to convert, let's check this one out, 6 centimeters and 5 millimeters. You need to change them to millimeters. So these are already in millimeters. I only need to change this. So I would multiply 6 by 10. I would have 60. Then add the millimeters that I already have. That would make them 65 millimeters. Okay. How about converting from meters to centimeters? We know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So 9 multiplied by 100 would be 900 centimeters. And so on. Do them at your own pace at home. Here are some pencil crayons. After they have been used, they measure, as you see in the table. Order the pencil crayons from shortest to longest. You would have many examples for you to do. Then comparing measurements, greater than, smaller than, or equal to. I just want to mention something here. If the measurements are in the same unit, you have no problem, centimeters and centimeter. But what if here, for example, you have centimeters comparing centimeters to millimeters? Is that possible? No, it's not. Both measurements must be in the same units so that you can compare them. So you'd either change the 3 centimeters to millimeters, or change 50 millimeters to centimeters. Whatever you find easier. I would change centimeters to millimeters. So I would just multiply 3 by 10 and then compare them. So is 30 millimeters larger or 50 millimeters larger? There you go. You would have many other examples to go through. Alright, now this is the success criteria. You should be able to convert between meters and centimeters, centimeters and millimeters, and meters and millimeters. You should also be able to use decimal notation to tenth to record length in meters and in centimeters. Assignment time. You need to save page 25 in your 4B pupil book. Thank you.